special Gilt Polestar 1 sends the plug-in Super Coupe off into sunset. Polestar's PHEV settles into its golden hour in style. Polestar 1 production is soon coming to a close, and the Volvo-adjacent EV brand is marking the occasion with a special edition version of the plug-in gasoline-electric hybrid Super Coupe. Limited to 25 units, the latest addition to the Polestar 1 model line stands out by way of its matte gold paint and brake calipers, the latter of which hide behind a set of big black wheels. Gold stitching throughout the interior further separates this special Polestar 1 from the rest of the lot. Despite its eye-popping paint job, the limited-run gold 2021 Polestar 1 remains mechanically identical to its less colorful kin. While we might like some more grunt from this low-slung coupe's powertrain, we certainly can't complain that the Polestar 1 lacks plentiful power. With 619 horses and 738 pound-feet of torque on hand courtesy of its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and 3 electric motors, the Polestar 1 is blazingly quick. We managed to rocket the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds, and passed the quarter mile in 12.0 at 119.1 miles per hour. Even better, the Polestar 1 will travel an EPA-rated 52 miles with a full charge of its battery pack before waking up its 2.0-liter gasoline engine, which just so happens to return a relatively reasonable 26 mpg combined. Fuel efficient and fast? That's the Polestar.